guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. This is my second time trying to record this because my audio went out mid-through. So I'm gonna try and show the same excitement I did the first time. I hadn't opened them yet, but basically I've been trying to get Yeezys for a while, and a while means like 5 times. It hasn't been a year thing. I want to know what all the fuss was about. And I tried to get the shoes, I didn't win those. The slides, I didn't win those. The shoes again, I didn't win those. The shoes again, I didn't win those. And these are the ones I won. They said, hey, you got chosen. I'm like, great. So let's see if they look as interesting in person as they do, you know, on the app. Here we go. When people say they look like alien shoes, they do. They look like the feet of an alien. And I tried looking everywhere because they're called foam runners. I got them in size 12. If you actually can run in these, and I don't believe you can or should, but yeah, this is basically an unboxing and to see if these are really cool and really neat. And I got them for $85. So yeah, let's try these on and see how interesting they are. Okay, so these do fit, and they are actually comfortable. But to be honest, I don't know what I'm wearing these with. Like, I guess jeans or something, but these are a very distinct, it's a very distinct shoe, and when you see it, you know it's Yeezy. This is, yeah. It's not an attractive shoe per se, just by norms. I think me wearing these out would just draw attention to these, and yeah, they're not necessarily my style, but I would probably hope to get more like of the gym shoe, the sneaker of his. But I just so happenly won these. I just kept putting in for when they dropped. But do I like these? Aesthetically, no. Do my foot feel comfortable in it? Yeah. It's interesting because I'm looking right here. It says Foam Runner 12 US, made in the USA. So it is made in the USA. Yeah, this is just me like, oh my gosh, this is my first Yeezy product that I was able to get. And I got the alien shoes. And yeah, they're interesting. I would probably prefer a sneaker, to be honest. Yeah. But yes, they are comfortable. They are foamy on the inside and kind of just, oh, okay. Yeah, that's all I got for these. But I did want to do an unboxing with you guys of the first time I was able to, you know, land a Yeezy design, because people love them. And so I'm like, okay, what's all the fuss? And it's probably more of the sneaker than this, because this is interesting. Interesting. That's all. Just interesting. Yeah. I hope that helps you guys to see. I know you can't just go out and buy these, but yeah, there you go. My unboxing of my first Yeezy shoe. Let's see if I can get some of the sneakers, because I hear those are super comfortable. That is what I hear about the sneakers. So yeah. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. It's so funny because it took me forever to try and get all this set up because I changed things around and yeah. So yeah, you guys have an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, they're just not attractive to me, and it's just I don't want to use the word weird because weird is subjective, and that's I don't know, that sounds just bad, and it's not a bad shoe, it's just a different shoe. So, yeah.